So, Ethan, what should we make this song about?
I don't know. We could do it on like.
I mean, it has to have like a subject, like I don't know, mental illness.
Yeah, we can make it like really powerful, like really get our message out there. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Yeah. Wait. Okay. One, two.
We're fucking birds. We're fucking birds. Yeah.
No, not the verb.
No, definitely not the verb.
Not the verb. It's more like an adjective, like describing us.
Yeah, because that would be weird if it was the verb, because that would be like literally fucking birds.
Instead,
but it's like we're fucking birds. We're fucking birds.
And not in like some weird like bird furry way.
Yeah.
Like, we don't like fucking birds. That would also be weird.
I mean, like nothing against actually, yes, lots against furries, but I mean, we're fucking birds. We're fucking birds. Yeah. We're fucking birds. We're fucking birds. Yeah.
Don't birds shit in the street? You don't want to like associate with that either, right?
No, but we don't have to. We can just say we're birds.
But I feel like we have to say, because otherwise they might assume it.
That's
you know,
true.
Things can get skewed like that.
Well, like on all levels, but physical. We're fucking birds. We're fucking birds. Yeah. Yeah, we should try and like record that sometime.
Yeah, I think it has a lot of meaning.
Yeah,
A lot of show it to Farney.
Shit, dude, you're right.